It's not just 3D printers that have a strong following since the hobby sector for home creating of DIY projects have taken hold. Laser engravers have a huge following nowadays, and many companies are bringing out affordable options that allow the average consumer to produce their own engraving products from the comfort of their own homes. TwoTrees has been active in the field of laser engravers for a long time now, and their new option may just take your fancy. This is the TwoTrees TTS-20 Pro laser engraver, coming with a diode power of 20 watts and a 400 by 400mm honeycomb working table. This is sure to be an affordable gem for enthusiasts and professionals alike. So let's see just how good this thing is, and first start by unboxing it. What is great about the TwoTrees TTS-20 is that it's practically ready out of the box. The main frame is almost completely assembled. In the box we do get all our components. The product consists of the pre-assembled XY unit with control, the honeycomb plate and aluminium sheet for underlaying, the compressor for air assistance, along with the hoses, power supplies, a USB cable, a memory card and some tools and your basic user manuals. As mentioned, in comparison to other affordable options, the TwoTrees TTS-20 Pro is a highly convenient choice, as it is mostly pre-assembled. All that is required is to screw the control electronics onto the frame and attach a bracket for cable hoses. Once this is done, the laser head can be easily pushed onto the guide and clamped into place, after which the wiring processes can begin. It is worth noting that the motors and wiring harnesses are already connected, so the only remaining tasks involved is connecting a limit switch and laser head, clipping the cable hoses into the provided brackets, and laying down the hose for the air assistance system. Additionally, a piece of thicker hose is included for easy connection to the compressor, making the entire setup process even more seamless. From setup to actually engraving, you can't beat this kind of ease of use. This truly was one of the easiest setup procedures I've had from an engraving machine like this. In terms of specs and features, the TTS-20 Pro laser module boasts four 450nm wavelength diodes combined to form a 20 watt output, resulting in very fast engraving speeds. With an air assistant nozzle built into the module, 2 fans to cool the diodes and blow away smoke, and a relatively quiet operation, this machine is a great investment so far. In order to set up and perform your first engraving, we're going to simply use the provided focus tool. The tool has 3 different levels for different material thicknesses. To use it, we just simply place the tool on the material you are cutting, loosen the screw on the side, slide down the laser module to the correct step, and tighten the screw. It really is as easy as that. What's great about this model is that it does have a built-in Wi-Fi chip, which you can connect wirelessly to devices to control the laser and send jobs via your web browser or smartphone app. But you do also have the flexibility of using it via USB or the SD card or memory card slots provided. So as mentioned, there is a lot of versatility on how you choose to operate this. If you want that increased portability, then the memory card or phone choice is a great one. But if you want a bit more customization, you like working on a workspace like many of these laser engraving softwares, then the option is there too. The honeycomb table, which utilizes advanced laser cutting technology, offers unparalleled precision when cutting through materials like wood and acrylic. Unlike other cutting techniques that may leave behind yellow edges, this table ensures clean and crisp cuts that are free of any discoloration. What's more, the air assist feature quickly cools objects during the engraving and cutting process, thereby preventing any distortion or discoloration that may otherwise have occurred. The TTS-20 Pro is a remarkable laser engraving machine that offers exceptional features for efficient and accurate engraving. And by that, one of its prominent features for sure is the new COS 20 watt laser module. It is smaller and lighter than other models available on the market. This translates into a more stable performance and consistent results. Thanks to its 20 watt high power laser, this machine can effortlessly cut through wood that measures up to 15mm thick in just one pass. Yes, one pass. With exceptional speed and precision, the device is capable of etching elaborate patterns onto a diverse range of materials such as wood, plastic, leather, and paper. During my first test with wood materials, I cut through 3mm birch plywood. I was impressed because the cut was consistent and there was very little discoloration. The air assistant compressor did an excellent job of clearing the burnt material too. As with all diode lasers, they really cannot cut clear acrylics, but they can cut opaque ones. I had great results with some black acrylic. It produced rather consistent engraving and cutting. I cut the black acrylic with 2mm thickness at speed of 350mm a minute and a performance of 100%, and then engraved with speed of 6000mm a minute and a power of 50. And as you can see, the results are phenomenal. This device is a highly efficient laser engraver that boasts exceptional engraving and cutting capabilities. It has been designed with a powerful laser and high resolution capabilities that enable it to process thicker materials with ease. Others just simply can't cope. Additionally, it can achieve high speeds when working with thinner materials. The Air Assist system proved to be immensely efficient in swiftly processing different materials with clean engraving images. Moreover, with its high power laser and efficient air pump, it does provide precision and smooth engraving results. The spacious honeycomb working table ensures stability and accommodates a variety of materials that go beyond your average engraving machine. I can't deny this thing is a powerhouse. With that said, be sure to check out this product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.